Welcome back to the another video of Cricket Thrills. Clarrie Grimmett. He was born on December 25, 1891 in Dunedin, New Zealand. The leg break googly bowler is known for making a fine partnership with Bill O'Reilly as the first leg spinner to use the flipper and dumbfound the batsman. Clarrie Grimmett had long desired to become a fast bowler, but eventually switched to bowling leg spin after a period of time. As soon as he arrived in Australia, Grimmett began playing club cricket in Sydney. His first game for Victoria in the Sheffield Shield was against New South Wales in 1919. After steadily rising through the ranks, in contrast, he became a world-class player only at the age of 34. In his first test against England, he took 11 wickets, which made up for his lost time. Every test side he played against found him a thorn in their flesh. South Africa and West Indies, however, did not do well against him. Neither team had very experienced batsmen, nor did both have trouble reading the flipper. The flipper will forever be associated with Grimmitt. By bowling it with the hand up, he troubled every batsman nearby. One story has it that Grimmitt was so adept at using the flipper that Bradman once said in a light-hearted manner that he had forgotten his leg spinner while facing him. With over 200 wickets in fewer than 40 test matches, Grimmitt remains one of the few bowlers with such a record. When he took 200 wickets in his 36 test matches, he held the record for the fastest test bowler to accomplish this feat. Yasir Shah of Pakistan broke this record in December 2018 after holding the record for 82 years. The last time he faced South Africa was in 1935. O'Reilly and his spin partner had once alleged that it was Bradman who prematurely ended his career. Don Bradman has ruined so many careers that it doesn't come as a shock to many cricket critics. Clarrie Grimmett became the first bowler to reach 200 wickets at the age of 34, when most of his peers are preparing for retirement. He learned how to peel off his pullover without taking off the cap when he started losing his hair. Thus, he did not want the selectors to notice his advancing years. Each step at the bowling crease was measured to avoid delivering a ball. When an umpire called his delivery a no ball, he was a bit stunned for a while. After regaining his composure, he thundered into the umpire's face. "Umpire, you just have set a world record by giving me a no ball, so you don't have to worry about your record being surpassed." On his debut test against England in 1925, Grimmett took 2 5-wicket hauls. Among 35 test bowlers who played in their first test after the age of 30, he became the first to achieve 200 test wickets. His 4 counterparts are Dilip Doshi, Saeed Ajmal, Ryan Harris and Mohammad Rafi. Each game he takes an average of 6 wickets. He took many wickets with the help of fellow leg spinner Bill O'Reilly in the last 4 years of his test career. Overall, Grimmitt appeared in 37 test matches between 1924 till 1936, taking 216 wickets at an average of 24.21, including 21 times 5 wickets haul and 7 times 10 wickets in a match. It was not until February 1932 that he bowled in the Melbourne Test against the South African team that he averaged exactly 6 wickets. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.